If you've been lifting for a while and still look the same, it's not because you're lazy. It's because you're doing things that feel productive but don't actually build muscle. I know because I was that guy. I thought I was doing everything right. Go to the gym, get a pump, repeat, and then magically get jacked. It didn't happen. Not until I stopped making the mistakes most lifters never realize they're making. So this is the video I wish I had when I started, so you don't waste years like I did. Let's get this out of the way first. Consistency comes before everything. The best program in the world means nothing if your training is random. This isn't about motivation, it's about showing up the same days week after week. Upper lower, full body, push-pull legs. Most programs work if you actually stick to a schedule, not just the idea of one. Training 3 days a week, one day the next, then 5 days when you're motivated, that's not consistency. That's how you burn out, that's how you quit. So pick a schedule you can repeat and repeat it. Lesson number 2 is to stop program hopping. Most guys never give their body a real shot. They switch between programs every few weeks, track nothing, and quit before results even show. You might think your genetics are holding you back, but the problem isn't your genes. It's that you never stuck to one plan long enough. If you change your program all the time, you reset progress, you never get strong, you never build momentum. So pick a program that matches your goal, fits your schedule, and focuses on basic movements. Then run it longer than your motivation lasts. Which ties into rule number 3. Progressive overload is non-negotiable. You can't build a better physique without progressive overload, and you can't progressively overload if you're constantly switching programs. If your lifts aren't going up over time, your body won't either. It's that simple. More weight, more reps, better form, that equals stronger lifts and more muscle. If nothing improves on paper, nothing improves in the mirror. That's why it's important to write down your lifts and constantly try to overload them. Lesson number 4 is more training does not mean more results. You don't need to train 6 days a week, especially if you're natural. For most guys, the results come from 3 to 4 focused sessions per week, good sleep, and proper recovery. That's it. Doing more doesn't make you stronger or bigger. In fact, if you're constantly sore, tired, or plateaued, you're probably doing too much. What works for most natural lifters is 5 to 7 exercises per session, 2 sets per exercise with 6 to 10 reps taken close to failure. Stop chasing pumps, train with intensity, not just volume. That's the fastest way to build muscle and progressively overload consistently. The gym isn't about how many hours you spend there. It's about focused work and letting your body adapt. Endless sets and workouts without proper recovery will burn you out and make it harder to stay consistent. Number 5. The basics always win. Every jacked old school lifter built their body with presses, rows, squat, hinges, and pull-ups. Not fancy exercises, not trendy variations. You don't need to overcomplicate it. Master the basics, progress them over time, train with focus and intensity. The beauty is that if you consistently get stronger on these key lifts, everything else, chest, arms, back, legs, will grow naturally. Keep it simple, master it, and give it time. Lesson number 6 is bulk slow or don't bulk at all. Getting fat isn't bulking. There's zero benefit to gaining weight fast. All it does is make your next cut longer, harder, and more miserable. The fastest way to build quality muscle is simple. A small surplus of around 200 to 300 calories above maintenance. Anything above that and most of the weight you gain will be fat. Let the scale move slowly. When you lean bulk, your body has time to turn extra calories into muscle instead of fat. You recover better, maintain strength, and make real progress without sabotaging your future cut. Dirty bulking might feel tempting, but for natural lifters, it's a trap. Lift stall, you feel sluggish, and cutting will cost more muscle than necessary. So go slow and be patient. Trust the process and your body will reward you. And as a final lesson, building your physique is not a sprint. There is no shortcut, no hack, no 30-day transformation that actually lasts. Think long term. Focus on training hard, eating properly, recovering, and repeating the basics. Do that consistently and eventually you'll look in the mirror and see the body you were chasing all along. If you want more no bullshit guys to save years in the gym and actually build an aesthetic physique, hit like and subscribe. I've got you. So thank you guys for watching and I'll see you guys in the next one.